This macadamia nut upside down cake combines a sticky candied macadamia nut topping with an ultra moist brown sugar sour cream center, a crunchy sweet macadamia nut crust, and a scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make the sticky macadamia nut topping, mix 5 grams rum with 15 grams melted butter and 15 grams sugar cane syrup. Spread on the bottom of the skillet, add 20 grams macadamia nuts split in half, and roast in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 minutes to start caramelizing the nuts. To make the cake batter, cream 25 grams brown sugar with 15 grams room temperature butter, 15 grams sour cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Sift and fold in 25 grams flour, an 1/8 of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter over the topping, then mix 10 grams chopped macadamia nuts with 10 grams brown sugar and spread evenly on top of the batter. Bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The upside down cake is done when the center is domed, caramelized, and a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle, then use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate.